Hi there, and welcome to TechPlower. Apple hasn't released new AirPods since December 2016. I wanted to take a look at the AirPods 1.5 years later. So here we have a box of a brand new set of AirPods. So let's start looking at the box. At the top we simply have the AirPods. On this side we have some technical information. On this side only the Apple logo, the AirPods and the Apple logo. On the bottom we have some diagram on what we get in the box. So we looked around the box, but let's see what we have inside. And of course I have my trusty unboxing knife to help me out. So we'll turn around the box, open the knife carefully, start from one side. We don't want to cut the box. Here we go. This side as well. Here we go. Put this knife to the side. Take the plastic. And here we have the unwrapped box. Let's lift the lid and see what we have inside. Slide slowly off. Taking its time. Come on. There we have it. Designed by Apple in California. And we don't want to forget to smell the box. Yeah, it's the typical Apple smell. So, up the front we have designed by Apple in California. There we have some information on the AirPods and some probably safety instructions, but no Apple stickers. Apple, why are you leaving me out with Apple stickers? Well, put this to the side and see what we have. Here we have the case for the Apple AirPods. We have some plastic around it. Let's take that off. There we go. Put that to the side. Do we have something else in the box? Yes, we have the lightning cable to charge the AirPods. And then we don't have anything else in the box. So we can put that to the side. So here is the AirPod case with a lightning connector on the bottom to charge the AirPods and the case. On the back here we have designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. At the bottom here, if you can see it, there's a button. And this is the pairing button if you're not using an iPhone to pair it up with. And inside we have the AirPods themselves. Here we have a charging light and pairing light. And the AirPods don't fall out because they are fastened by magnets. But if you pull a little bit, they're loose. So here are the AirPods. They look very similar to the EarPods, but of course they don't have the cable. They have a few additional sensors. The IR sensors to sense if the AirPods are in your ear or not. They have the microphone. And they have a little bit wider gap over here. So as I said, they look a lot like the AirPods, and if the AirPods fit your ears, these should too. So at the bottom here, you might see the charging connectors where the AirPods are connecting when we put them inside the case. It will be exciting to try this out and see if they are still good even though they were released 1.5 years ago. I will of course compare the audio quality to the AirPods and also see how they last on each charge. They say that they last about 5 hours, so we'll see if that is true. So I think this is all for the unboxing and my 1.5 years later impressions of the AirPods. I really hope you liked this video, and if you have any questions, just ask me in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. See you in my next video.